In this video, we will explain the Agile contract, money for nothing and change for free. Traditional fixed-price, fixed-scope contracts often create tension in Agile projects because they resist change and assume requirements can be fully defined upfront. Agile thrives on adaptability and continuous feedback. Therefore, contracts for Agile projects need to be designed to embrace flexibility, collaboration, and value delivery over strict adherence to an initial, often imperfect plan. The Agile Manifesto prioritizes customer collaboration over contract negotiation. To achieve this, continuous customer collaboration is indispensable, making it a fundamental requirement for all Agile contracts. The money for nothing and change for free concept cleverly inverts the cynical phrase from the famous 1985 rock song, money for nothing, into a positive, customer-centric advantage. This contract concept can be understood through the Agile triangle, where time and cost are fixed and the scope is represented by the value, features that are flexible and continuously prioritized based on the value they bring to a project. The Agile triangle can be envisioned as a container, progressively filled with prioritized, valuable features. We will now demonstrate the functionality of the money for nothing and change for free contract using a practical example. A customer seeks to develop an application comprising 40 valuable features intended to establish market competitiveness. In joint estimation with the customer, the development is projected to require 4 iterations, each with a duration of 2 weeks, culminating in an overall project timeline of 8 weeks. The cost estimated for each iteration is $10,000. Therefore, the total cost will be $40,000. A money for nothing and change for free contract has been agreed on for the development of the application. Work begins. At the end of the first iteration, 10 valuable features have been completed. At the end of the second iteration, another 10 valuable features have been completed, bringing the total completed features to 20. Before the start of the third iteration, a request by the customer to include another 2 valuable features has been made to the product owner. To maintain the project's fixed time and cost, the product owner, in alignment with the change for free clause in the contract, will suggest to the customer to descope some less valuable features of equivalent effort. Upon customer agreement, the new features will replace the less valuable features of equivalent effort. In our example, 2 existing features were removed and replaced with 2 new ones of equal effort. This process altered the scope's composition at 0 additional time or cost, exemplifying the change for free clause of the Agile contract. Work continues. The team doing the work has become a high-performing team and the velocity has increased. At iteration 3, they managed to add 15 features, bringing the total count to 35 features. At this point, the customer decides that the application has sufficient business value for market launch, and thus the 4th iteration is no longer needed. Under the money for nothing and change for free contract that was agreed upon for this project, the vendor is entitled to 80% of the cost for any unrequired iteration. Since each iteration cost $10,000, the vendor receives $30,000 for the 3 completed iterations, plus an additional $8,000 for the iteration that was not executed. Thus, vendor receives money for work that is not done, thereby exemplifying the money for nothing clause. This concludes our video on the Agile contract, money for nothing and change for free. If you have found this video useful and would like more videos like this, please visit pmstudies.com. We also provide one-on-one and online class training for PMP, CAPM and ACP exams. We are adding new videos every week. Please click on the subscribe button shown below to be informed when we add a new video. The playlist shown below gives you a list of related videos to watch. Thank you for watching this video.